two luxury escapes, one beside the mystical Ganges, the other overlooking the mighty Himalayas. But which one gives you more value, better views, and more memories? So stay till the end because today resorts in review are Westin Rishikesh and JW Marriott Mussoorie.
So let's start with the location first. Both the properties JW Marriott and Westin Rishikesh are around 7 to 8 hours drive from Delhi NCR. If we talk specifically about JW Marriott first, it's actually located in Mussoorie within the mountain ranges. So आप winters में proper snowfall भी मिलेगी यहाँ पे. But the drawback of this property is it's on the way to Kempty Fall, so you can expect a lot of traffic during the peak season. If we talk about Westin Rishikesh, this is around 17 to 18 kilometers further from Haridwar and Rishikesh. ये आपका नरेंद्र नगर की तरफ पड़ती है. यहाँ पे गंगा जी को दूर से दिखती है and this is also on the hilltop.
So let's talk about the rooms now. दोनों के रूम काफी luxurious हैं. You have all the basic amenities, rather the luxury amenities as well, available in both the rooms. अगर हम फसाड की बात करें तो ये आपके step style में आते हैं. JW Marriott is almost up to 5 floors. However, Westin Rishikesh has up to 11 floors. And of course, higher the floor, better the view. But Westin Rishikesh में एक जो unique चीज़ है, you also get an option to go for a plunge pool room, which is temperature controlled. Now coming to my most favorite part, which is activities. So activities की डर दोनों ही resorts में नहीं है. You have enough and more to keep you engaged. Both have got an amazing kids play area and in fact a gaming arcade with not just involves the kids but also the adults. उसमें आपको सारे गेम्स इंक्लूडिंग bowling मिल जाता है. उसके अलावा you have an high tea which is again similar in both the properties. You also have गंगा आरती which is there. आपको ये Westin Rishikesh में गंगा आरती alongside the high tea और JW Marriott में एक अलग जगह पे होती है. Both the properties have got swimming pools, but if you ask me, Westin Rishikesh has got 3 open swimming pools, which includes 1 jacuzzi, 1 kids pool and 1 adults pool. JW Marriott में आपको indoor swimming pool मिलता है. Special occasions अगर आप कोई celebrate कर रहे हैं तो आपको JW Marriott में एक JW Marriott Dome मिलता है, which is a very romantic and a very special setup for celebrating any of your special occasions. And it's very expensive also, yeah. But one thing which sets Westin Rishikesh apart, rather two things which sets it apart, is one, that they've got a kids currency which is called Genzo. I am sure your kids are going to love this concept wherein they will have their own money to spend on anything within the resort. The second thing is the trek that they have, a hiking picnic trek which is there, which is again a very unique concept in Westin Rishikesh, which is a must do from our side.
Towards the end अगर हम यहाँ पे प्राइस पॉइंट्स की बात करें तो दोनों की ही स्टार्टिंग रेंज अराउंड 25,000 रुपीज़ की है और पीक सीजन में अप टू 40-45,000 पर नाइट जा सकता है. ऑल्टरनेटिवली अगर आप मैरियट बॉनवॉय के मेंबर हैं तो आप यहाँ पे पॉइंट्स भी यूज़ कर सकते हैं. हमने पॉइंट्स पे बुकिंग करी थी तो यहाँ पे वेस्टिन के हमने अराउंड 24,000 पर नाइट स्पेंड करे थे एंड JW के अराउंड 60,000 पर नाइट पॉइंट्स हमने स्पेंड करे थे.
So now the final verdict. While this is a very personal choice and there's absolutely no difference when you talk about luxury, the pampering in any of these properties, they remain to be at the topmost level. But if I talk about my personal favorite, that'll be Westin Rishikesh. Specifically for the reasons that I listed before. Swimming pool which is open, trek which is a very unique experience and the kids currency which your kids will never forget after coming back. Do let me know that which will be your preference. So this is for today and this is Gunjan
and Madhur
signing off until we meet again. Happy traveling.